Hello, my name is D. Chris Scott. You can call me Chris. If you notice in the background, I'm in a very busy location. I'm a social science researcher. My area of emphasis is critical race studies and perceptions and images of black males. Just like my surroundings, the social science arena is busy with phenomena that has yet to be studied. I am months away from earning a Doctor of Education and Leadership Studies from Bowling Green State University in Ohio. I am studying educated perceptions of African American males. When studying such controversial topics like this, self-report surveys are vulnerable to a phenomenon called social desirability bias. Social desirability bias is when I give answers to make me look good to you, which may not be my honest opinion or my view. I have adapted a brief social desirability scale for educators to help me determine how to interpret their scores on the instrument that I created to examine educator perceptions. Hey, I need your help to understand how educators will answer. I'm asking you to complete the adapted brief social desirability scale. At the end, you will have an opportunity to give me some feedback on the scale. There are 15 true or false questions. In one section, you are asked to give an answer that looks good, that will allow you to look good to others. For example, if asked, have you ever left a pet outside in extreme conditions? You might answer, no, because who wants to admit to possibly mistreating an animal? I know I wouldn't. There's another column asking for your honest answer. It is very possible that I may have left my dog Lena out in the cold unintentionally. But if I admitted that, I might not look good in the eyes of animal lovers. You get the point? In the next column, you will give the honest answer that is not socially desirable. But it's okay, because your honest response is needed for me to run statistical tests to determine the answer that is most socially desirable. Finally, the questions are written for educators. But don't worry, you don't have to be an educator to complete the scale. In fact, it is helpful to me if you're not an educator. But if you are an educator, no worries. Thank you for helping me validate my brief adapted social desirability scale. If you have any questions, you can email me at dcscott@bgsu.edu. Again, that's dcscott@bgsu.edu. Thank you so much for all of your help.